evident kasi Inday mo, Lara. Gara, parang hindi ko naman masyado kailangan tong mga ano. Mga natitirang power-ups dito. Okay, ayan. Let's go! Ascension. Reach the top of the tower. Oh my god. Climb na naman si Lara. Wala! Oh, diba? Action agad. Let's go! Ay, putik. Anong ginagawa nila? Bakit umakyat sila? Ay, ang dami pala nila. Ah, putik. Teka, nakakaba mo ako. Oh my goodness. Wow, andun agad yung Trinity. Oh my. Ako, buti hindi ka pumasok doon. Oy! Anong gagawin doon? Ayan! O nga pala. Ay, gag! Sira ulo. Not true. Another day, another sleigh, literally. Okay.
Sophia, where are you? I see you, Laura. We'll do whatever we can to support you from here.
Oh, nice. Nandun na pala.
Thank you, Sophia. I'll take whatever help I can get.
Nandun na din pala sila sa loob. Oh, shoot. Ang likot. Galing, naka-armor. Oh, gagi. Oh my god. Lulutin muna natin sila. Kailangan ko yung materials, pati yung mga bala na ano. Teka, nare-retrieve ko ba yung mga arrow? Parang hindi ah. Wala pala ata akong skill na yun.
Lara, you have to get to cover. We're about to fire and you're out in the open.
Ah! Sige, tumira lang kayo. Nainis ako sa camera shake. Ba't may satchel? Parang napapangitan ako sa lock-in skill nito. My goodness! Kulit mo ah. Meron pa. Yes, te. Oh shit. Ang dami nila.
Thank you, Sophia. Hell of a shot.
Okay, wala na akong mapulot sa kanila. So, saan na ba? Point of no return. Okay. Takti malapit na agad sa ending. Okay, wait. Let's go. Let's go. Todo na to. As in, todo na to. Go, go, go. Ayan, fully upgraded na silang lahat. Para lang, hindi ako fan nitong shotgun na to eh. Pero itong assault rifle. Okay, tara na. Tama ng pahinga, Lara. Walang panahon para magpahinga. Kapag nagpahinga ka, baka hindi ka na ulit huminga. Tara. Ito yung part ng game na hindi ko pa talaga na-reach. Kahit nung unang playthrough ko nito, hindi pa ako nakaabot dito.
I have a visual on Croft. It must not be allowed into the Chamber of Souls.
Constantine.
Lo. Okay.
I don't think you'll be able to hit him. We'll keep trying. We're reloading the trebuchet. Hold on.
Ay, hindi tumama. Paano?
We're gonna be able to hit him from here. I know. I've got to shoot the fireball in the air. Get ready.
Oh.
Let's try again.
Okay, okay.
Give us time,
Kaya,
Lara. We're reloading.
kaya po ba yun, ma'am?
We're ready to launch the trebuchet. Just give us the signal.
Better off throwing rocks.
Got to use the quick fireball. It's the only way.
Oh, ganun pala yun. Mali. Mali.
We're reloading the trebuchet. Hold on. Not gonna damage him that way. Just give us the signal.
Tinitira ko yung ilaw nila eh.
Here we go. Oh God.
Yun!
You did it. It's not over yet. Get ready to fire another shot.
Takto yung medyo nag-slow mo siya dun. So, ayun.
Send in a squad now. I want her dead.
Wala na akong... Oh shit. Nasaan yung tumitira? Sorry, medyo nataranta ako doon. Okay, ayan na. Nasaan ka na? Ay! Nainis ako sa armor nila. Hindi ko sila ma-one shot. Akala ko ba armor piercing na to? Gagi, deathless pala yun. Andito na rin sila. Nasaan? Ay, putek ka. Kulit mo ah. Ayan ulit.
I'm not done yet.
Asan na?
We're reloading the treasure chest. Hold on.
Ito pala eh. Oh my god! Ba't ka nang bubulaga dyan?
Okay, we're ready. On your signal.
Nasaan na?
Here we go. No luck. Once again, Sophia. Get ready.
Ang potek.
We have to reset the counter. We'll be ready soon.
Lara, deathless behind you.
All right, here goes.
Nasaan? Saan ba ako dapat? Wag po. Wala na ako. Wala na akong herbs. Ano na, Sofia? Mag-reload na kayo, dali. Magkakandamatay na dito si Lara.
Not gonna damage in that way.
Dito pala may mga palaso eh. Oh no. Ano na? E! Kanina pa ako nag-i-E. Potek. Ayaw niya mag-radio signal. Kanina ka pa pinipindot yung E ah. Ano nangyayari te?
We have to reset the counter. We'll be ready soon.
Oh my goodness. Ma'am, hindi ko alam kung mas-survive ko to.
We're ready to launch the treasure check. Just give us the signal.
Ayun na, okay na.
We're launching. Come down the street, you coward.
Galing.
If there's anyone left alive down there, I want Croc dead. That's your last order.
Oh my god!
Son of a bitch! You've got to get out of there! No, we're in this fight to the end. Thank you, Sophia.
Wow.
Laura, he's headed back your way.
Andiyan na naman siya. Andiyan pa rin siya. Hindi pa nawasak yung ano? Helicopter niya. Gaga, mini-missile na tayo.
Reloading the cruising thing. Hold on!
Ay, ito pala. Takning nagka-craft pa ako ng ano. Ayun! Nice! May heal na ulit ako. Oh, shit.
Got to signal Sophia to fire that trebuchet.
Sige na, tira na!
Get ready! On your signal!
Ha! Yan, sa wakas. Nawasak din yung sakyan nyo. Oh my goodness. Pang ilang hulog mo na to, Inday. Oh no. Stealth mode? Puta. Nalaglag ako, hayop. Lo, ang kunot. Ah! Angas, tinatalunan ako. Okay, nasa na sila? Ay, gagi! Ano pala siya?
Just you and I now.
Wala akong...
You have no weapons, no allies, no hope. Place will become your
Meron pa akong palakol.
My destiny lies in the chamber of souls. I've come too close to be stopped now.
Hindi niya ako kita.
You're stronger than your father-in-law. He never would have made it this way.
Sira ulo. Hanggang binunot lang.
It's not my destiny. I was meant for greatness.
This was never your destiny. Your sister let you believe that.
I did all of this for her. Don't you walk away from me. Wait! Trinity killed your father.
No, you're lying.
He begged for his life. And when that failed, he begged for yours.
You're wrong. Shut up. Just shut up.
Burn in hell.
Sige, babay na sa'yo. Sira ulo yun.
Anna, stop.
Ah, ito na yung traitor.
Your men are defeated. Your brother is dead. No, that's what Trinity has wrought. Death. And that's all they'll ever bring. Give this up.
I gave up everything for this. I have no intention of giving it to Trinity. What about your father? You're dooming him to be mocked by history. How can you let this go when you're so close?
I'm willing to make that sacrifice. I can't let you take it.
Think of the millions suffering and dying. We can save them. We can change the world together.
The cost is too high, Anna. We aren't meant to live forever. Death is a part of life.
That's easy for you to say. You're not the one who's dying.
But this isn't about you. This is about humanity, about protecting what it means to be human.
Ay, ano
They're
yun?
coming. We're surrounded.
Ay! Si Jacob! Bakit sinul mo lang yung mga bala?
It's not meant for the world.
This is your chance, Lara. Everything I've done, everything you've done. Another Croft doesn't have to die for this.
But I'm willing to.
Well, I'm not.
Ay! Yung Deathless?
Please. I'm dying. This is my only hope.
Anna, no!
Oh no. Ano nangyari sa kanya?
It's okay.
I'm sorry. Jacob, hold on.
Yung nasak niya.
I've held on for too long already.
You know I destroy it.
In all my years, I've met few as extraordinary as you. It's finally happening.
Tapos na yung pagiging immortal mo, Jacob.
I'm sorry. All I wanted was to make a difference.
You already have. You already have.
Grabe naman yun. Oh my God!
My dearest Lara, I often think about how my father would turn over in his grave if he knew the shame I had brought upon our family's name. Croft, what does it even mean? I just hope you can make your own mark on this world someday. Remember that the extraordinary is in what we do, not who we are.
Destroying the source was the right thing to do.
still feel like I let him down.
I think you would have made the same choice. Come on. You've got a plane to catch.
I listened to his last tape 1,000 times, but it's as if I was hearing my father's words only now, for the first time. It doesn't matter what choices he would have made. I have to make my own. The myth of Katesh was real. There are secrets out there that can change the world. I need to find them, not for my father, not for anyone else. Trinity is still out there, and they're more powerful than I ever imagined. I can stop them. I can make a difference. I can make the right difference.
Oh my God, buhay pa rin yung Trinity. Ano kayo nangyari kay Anna? Buhay pa ba yung Anna na yun? Parang ano siya, may terminal siya eh. Tapos siguro na-absorb niya yung immortality for a few minutes bago niya bago nasira yung source. Bago sinira ni Lara. Ay, Diyos ko, kakabanggit ko lang na sobrang haba nitong game. Bigla ko naman natapos. Akala ko magtatagal pa to eh. But anyways, ilang minutes pa lang ako nagla-live. I think I'll turn on my completionist mode and I'll try to collect and discover everything in this game. Yes, yun na yung ending. My God. Ay, 2 weeks earlier. Ay, wait. Meron pa pala.
Anna, you said another Croft doesn't have to die for this. What did you mean by that? You killed my father, didn't you?
Sabi na hindi so.
Trinity ordered his execution.
What?
I couldn't do it. You're lying. I loved him.
Gagi!
It's done. Good. What about Croft?
No. Not yet.
Ano ba yan? Ilalantad na sana ni Ana eh. Sino yun? Hindi ko nga rin alam Sino kaya yung specifically? Sino yung Shumegpay sa sa tatay niya? Sabi na nga ba hindi yun pati wakal eh. Bitin, next na agad. Agad-agad no te? Meron ka na ba dyan next? Yes, nasa library ko pero kailangan ko pa i-install.